Yes, man.
If you never have proof before, you have proof now. Everything love chicken. Chicken, me believes that chicken are one of them meat that we're not even supposed to be on earth. Chicken is a meat that only the gods should be eating. A mistake why chicken is on earth. Chicken nice. See? Everything eat chicken. All chicken eat chicken. So what you expect crab to do? If you like crab and crab tastes good, and because crab eat chicken, see proof there. Chicken meat translate through the crab, and that's why. Or it could be because crabs are, them feed off basically anything. But and that's why crab meat tastes good. That's how I work with, because they eat chicken. You know, chicken them feel about this. If chicken eat chicken, then chicken must eat crab too, and they throw crabs in them. One bag of mix up a one, but the crab are enjoying himself with leg. And if you ask me, it's only right because people love nyam crab legs. So the crab have to go find some farmer leg for nyam back to, equal it out and create the equilibrium in our universe. The chicken leg you get might as well just brush down the chicken leg, you see me? Everybody love chicken.